Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate your university weighted average grade. Plus, I'll introduce you to a new free tool called gradefomula.com that can make this process a lot easier. Let's get started. So, how do you calculate your weighted university grade? It's quite simple once you break it down. Your total grade is found using the weighted average of all your course components. Here's the formula. Weighted average equals Mark 1 times weight 1 plus Mark 2 times weight 2 divided by weight 1 plus weight 2. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine your course is made up of 30% coursework, 10% lab, and 60% final exam. Here's how you calculate your total grade. Coursework, you scored 80% and it weighs 30% of your total grade. Lab, you scored 70% and it weighs 10% of your total grade. Final exam, you scored 65% and it weighs 60% of your total grade. Using the formula, total equals to 80 times 0.30 plus 70 times 0.10 plus 65 times 0.60 divided by 0.30 plus 0.10 plus 0.60. Total equals to 24 plus 7 plus 39 divided by 1. Total equals to 70%. So your total grade would be 70 out of 100. Now let's see how we can do that and more with gradefomula.com. With this tool, you can calculate your total grade, find out the needed mark to pass, finally, calculate the needed mark for a specific total grade. Note that the weight total should be 100%. For the total grade, simply add or remove parts based on your course structure, then enter your marks and their weights and press calculate. Here's your total grade. Now, to find the mark you need in the final exam in order to pass the class, you can fill in all the fields except for the final mark, which is the one you're looking for, and press calculate. Here's the mark you need in the final exam in order to get 50% in total. Finally, you can follow the same steps, but also choose a total mark you're aiming for. And after pressing calculate, you can see the final mark needed in order to achieve the target total. Head over to gradefomula.com and calculate your grades with ease.